Hello everyone, welcome to the virtual booth of MANUS at GDC Online. My name is Serdal, Marketing Manager at MANUS, and I'm here today to share with you our latest developments. MANUS has been making data gloves for professional use since 2014. We are mainly being used for motion capture and virtual reality. During this presentation, I want to introduce what we are sharing during GDC. So the first thing I want to start with is introduce our latest developments. First off, MANUS Polygon, our full body IK system. What MANUS Polygon does, it helps you to do entry-level mocap with a minimum of 6 tracker points, 2 on the hands, 1 on the belt, 2 on the feet, and 1 on the head. The head tracker can also be replaced by a VR headset if you want to use Polygon in a virtual reality setting. So if you want an entry-level mocap solution, you can use Polygon to record your body movements and implement that in your project. How that's done is explained in different videos today. If you want to use it for virtual reality, you can use Polygon for a multiplayer setting with a more immersive experience. Polygon comes with an annual license and is available already. Besides that, we have also launched the MANUS Prime II glove. The new Prime II gloves come in 3 versions: the haptic version with haptic feedback, the Prime II Core version, which is an all-around go-to glove, which you can use for VR or for motion capture, and a Prime II Xsens version, which is directly implementable in Xsens software. So what we're showing during GDC is how you can use our Unity plugin and how easy it is to use MANUS hardware and software in your own project. These plugins come for free if you purchase any MANUS product. If you scroll down, you can see a link to that video, and there I will explain you how you can implement Polygon into your project with your custom characters, but also how the glove can be retargeted to a custom hand model. The same thing which I explained for the Unity plugin will also release for Unreal Engine in September. The third video that I have for you is the Xsens video, where I show you how easy it is to implement our gloves in an Xsens setting. We have a very valuable partnership with Xsens, and because of that, inside of the Xsens software, with the click of a button, you can make use of our gloves. So the first thing that I want to show you right now is a small footage from our Unity plugin showcase, where I'm making use of Polygon full body tracking. I will remove my camera right now so you can see it on full screen. As you can see, the 3D model is being retargeted by Polygon, and the movements that I'm doing on the screen is being retargeted to this model. It takes a few minutes to retarget the Polygon movements to your custom model, and I'm really excited to see and get feedback of every one of you after you see our Unity plugin video. So next up, I want to show you the use of our gloves. In the same video where we showcase the Unity plugin, I'm also showcasing how easily you can implement our gloves onto your custom hand model. So just with a few clicks, I am able to retarget the finger movements that I'm doing on top of the hand model that you're seeing on screen. So this year we are mainly focusing on making it easy to implement MANUS hardware and software into your solution. If you're already using an Xsens motion capture suite, you can easily use our Prime II Xsens gloves and just click it on inside of MVN, and that's all. If you want to use your own entry-level mocap solution, you can use Polygon, and inside of the Unity plugin showcase video that you can find if you scroll down, you will see how easy it is to use this on your custom 3D models. This will be your go-to entry-level mocap. Besides that, using the Prime II gloves has been made easier than ever before, with features as a swappable battery, but also the ease of retargeting it to your 3D model, your custom 3D model. This is the glove that you have waited for. I'm really proud to share this, and I can't wait to see how you will experience our showcase. If you have any questions, please book a meeting with us, with any of my colleagues, or leave a message in the chat box, and we'll be happy to come back to you. Thank you very much, and enjoy GDC.